Like, seriously, look at her hair. I'm trying hard not to stare. I'm like, what the, right, oh, you've got to see this. This girl must be from Venus. She's looking really silly, and I look like a genius. This isn't right, oh no, look at it, oh no, look at it, oh my gosh, her head is such a mess. OMG, she thinks she's better than me. She must have lost her mind. Like, seriously lost her mind. So I'm gonna tell my mommy, then my mommy, I tell my daddy, then my daddy, I tell my auntie. We won't be like, Now she'll be embarrassed. What's embarrassed? You know, feel stupid? Yeah, I mean for real. She thinks she all that, but who said she could have it? To me, she just aggressive. Really though, who likes that? Right. Look at the way she dresses. She always has a necklace. She's not cool. She's breaking all the rules. This is just horrible. Ew, no, look at it. Ew, no, look at it. Ew. Oh my gosh. Ew. I am not rude, but this girl is not cool. I see her at my school, always looking like a fool. But I'm the one that's fresher than, and no one here is better than. I try to show them that I can be going to be their friend. They just be laughing and dying, and on the inside I am crying. I am so hot. I am right now. It sounds like I'm lying. So, me, so no, why please try to make me cool. Me, so no, why please try to make me cool. Here, this girl with the hair better be aware, cause everywhere she be, I'm be there like, hello, my name is Susie. Susie with the Z. I know I did say Susie. Originality, my mom told me that I would be the coolest. And if people don't like it, then they're just being foolish. Yeah, come on, party people. How don't we bust the move?